How to watch live football on YouTube TV using your Samsung Smart TV. Step number 1. Install the YouTube TV app on your Samsung Smart TV. Press the home button on your Samsung remote to open the Smart Hub. Use the arrow keys to select apps. In the search bar, type YouTube TV and select the app from the search results. Select Install to download and install the YouTube TV app on your TV. Step number 2. Sign in to your YouTube TV account. After installation, open the YouTube TV app from the Apps section. Enter your credentials to sign in to your YouTube TV account. If you're new to YouTube TV, follow the on-screen instructions to create an account. Step number 3. Access live football content. Use the search function within the YouTube TV app to find the NFL section. Browse the available NFL games and select the one you want to watch. Additional tips. For access to out-of-market Sunday afternoon games, consider adding the NFL Sunday Ticket add-on to your YouTube TV subscription. YouTube TV offers unlimited cloud DVR storage, allowing you to record games and watch them later. Ensure your Samsung Smart TV is connected to the internet and supports the YouTube TV app. If it doesn't come pre-installed, you can download it from the Samsung App Store.